Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and add photos to a posting on Craigslist. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website if you have not already by going to craigslist.org right here. And once you open it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. Very at the top of the screen, you can select your location if it hasn't been automatically selected. And in the upper right corner, you can log into your account. So you need to log into your account. If you do not already have one, you can just go and create one. So once you've logged in, now we can get started. And in this home page right here in the upper left corner, we can see the post and add option. This is going to enable you to post an ad. So the first thing we can do is select what kind of posting this is, and you want to note that not in every posting can you post images. So let's say you are offering services for something financial related, you're probably not going to be able to post images and you're not going to have that option. But what you can do is when you're selling something, as you can see, let's click for sale by owner, and then let's go and select cars and trucks. This is going to take us to this page right here where we have the posting title, description, and so on, but we are also going to have the photo option. So once you proceed to the next page by clicking the continue option, this is going to take you to the next page from where you can get started with adding photos. If you are in a category that is not usable for photos, you're not going to have that option, but if you can, you're going to go ahead and see the option for adding photos on the next page, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.